Hi movers! This is what I like to call our head, spine, tail holy grail. Cat and cows are essential in supporting a healthy spine. So let's just do 5 rounds together. Hit the mat with me, come into your tabletop position. Making sure as we set up, I always like to say our setup is our get up. Our wrists are underneath our shoulders. Our knees are underneath the hips. When you look at the hands and the wrists, they are your shoulder distance apart. Our knees are our hips distance. Tucking the toes or untucking the toes are just your personal preference. So as you inhale, go ahead and arch the spine. Reach the crown of the head towards the tail. This is our cow pose. As you exhale, tuck the chin, round the back. Really actively press away from the earth. Try to dome and round the upper back. And again, inhale, let's arch the spine. Think about really the crown of the head reaching towards that tail. Exhale, tuck the chin, round the back. Press away. Inhale to arch. Heart radiates forward. Exhale to round. Just got 2 more, feeling so good. Inhale, think about the tailbone arching through the lower back, the mid back, the upper back, and the crown of the head reaching. Exhale, tuck the chin, feel the upper back, mid back, lower back, tuck that tailbone. Was that 5? We'll take 1 more. Inhale, arch the spine. And exhale, round the back. After cat and cows, I like to sit back into a nice balasana. So take your child's pose, stretch those arms out, surrender the forehead all the way down, and just take a little sway from side to side. So that is our head, spine, tail holy grail. Try to take these cat and cows daily, and I promise your spine will feel so much better. Thank you for practicing with me. Namaste.